I think we all needed to let loose. So those presentations were like a perfect thing to have. So I think that was very important because I saw a lot of very happy and smiley faces.
I think overall the format is good because time went by so quickly. So, I mean, grouping, chatting a bit, working, and then presenting, and then repeating. It went by quickly, and it was actually effective and fruitful at the end.
People putting in extra effort to want to improve is an encouraging thing. We have the whole team here actively wanting to get better, which is reciprocal, because if everybody's engaged, then you want to be engaged as well. So it's nice to see people wanting to learn and develop how we can communicate better. So thank you for the session.
I like the story part where we actually shared the stories about how we helped the startups. So just kind of remembering and hearing what others did, and like these real case studies was a bit like, it was inspirational, and just also like listening to other people, what they have done.
What do I like actually is today we were having just our silly fun stuff. We didn't have it for such a long time, and I was thinking so many people recently joined our team and just didn't know us in person.
It's kind of subscribe a lot to both the format being cool, but the performances of our dreams was just like, guys, I still have my cheeks aching, and I think each of the groups did. It's just like so amazing, and yeah, this just makes me want to crave more and more to see all of you live, and I almost have tears forming in my eyes. I shut up.
And once again, thank you guys for that. I see how much talented people I am working with.